I'd like to demonstrate how to uninstall and reinstall an EXP Punch. So we need the little tool to turn the lock. We can see right now that if we look at the laser marking, our indicator shows that we are locked and the punch is locked in. So if I put the tool in, give myself a half turn counterclockwise, you can see that the punch popped up, so I can remove the old punch, and then I can reverse the process to install it. I just put the punch in, line up the keyway, push it down, and hold it down while I give the lock mechanism a quarter turn. It pops back out, so it's basically flush with the side of the punch, and it's flush on both sides here. So that's all there is to it.